Got this on Magic Pearl. Oh, don't do this to me. There's no dead spin. Yeah, we got starfishes. Not sure how this place feels about recording, but fuck it, I'm gonna wing it. Alright, nice. At least I got the feature at $5 to start. As many pearls as possible. Alright, nice, that's $50. Sweet. Alright, 5 minutes. The last one. Alright, nice, never. Sweet, that's $15. See if it gets any more by any chance. The last one. This one should be good though, at good amounts. Sweet. Nice, $80. Oh yeah, we're still doing the free games. Don't stop there, of course. Our last one. So that's about $85. I'll take that. I got the holding spins on this. You guys know the routine, the story. I saw that mini go by. Oh hell no, don't do this to me. Really? Oh fuck, man. I should have known this wouldn't be shit after the bonus I just had. I still had worse though, $18. I managed to get this again. Let's see if it goes any better than the last one I just had. Alright. I saw that miner go by. Majors at almost 1,000, 985 to be exact. Oh, last one. Okay, good, not the last. Again, at least 3 more spins. Alright, last one. Oh, this one will be better than the previous one I had. Was the last one. 27 and 18. That's not too bad.